Hello everybody, Jeffrey McAvoy here. Welcome back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you just did. This video is about powder coating these bespoke rock sliders and front and rear bumpers that you can't find in the shops because I made them myself. Now, if you show some interest by dropping a comment, maybe I'll produce a limited run of these for you to enjoy. I also filled these with 30 grams of lead each to add a bit of weight down low, so it makes them really useful besides looking really cool. I've used these for roughly a year. I made the rock sliders recently, but bumpers were one of the first things that I made when I got the TRX-4, and so I'm soda blasting them here to remove the surface rust, and wasn't entirely convinced by the finish, so I scotch-brighted them to make sure that I have a good base for the powder to adhere to, and obviously degreased before hanging them up on the fixture. Now, I usually work with a company who does the powder coating for the parts that I require, but you know, being such small items, they would probably have laughed at me and charged me $100 for doing the job. So I searched for a DIY powder coating kit and found this. The link is in the description, and I must say that I'm quite surprised at the capability of this fitment, because I literally set it up in a matter of minutes, and obviously I don't have a booth, so I'm powder coating the entire neighborhood right here. It works stunningly well. It's great for small parts if you have calipers to do, or valve covers, or God knows what else, as long as it fits in an oven. I bought this oven in a second-hand shop for 24 bucks, I believe, because obviously you don't want to be using this in your home oven because it releases toxic fumes, and if you get some powder in the oven, generally speaking, it'll just cook, bake there and stay there forever. So after baking at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, this is the result, and I must say that I'm really highly satisfied. The powder that I chose for this is a jet black sand effect, and it really looks the part. Now, on the grill, I tried removing the excess powder which is baked on, and it comes off, I suppose, where they used to bake pizzas, I guess. I didn't prepare that surface because, you know, I wanted to be able to remove the powder coating for the next use. Now, here's one of the rock sliders, and if you look closely, it does have that little sand effect, kind of matte sand effect, which is similar to the wheel arch flares, which is exactly the effect that I was looking for. Now, on this front bumper, I completely fudged up. I tried to stamp my name on it, but before realizing, you know, it's a hollow tube and it doesn't work that way. So, well, you know, I have to live with it. The result is really highly satisfying. Now, as I said, I'm considering the production of a limited run of a complete set of rock sliders and bumpers. So if you're interested, leave a comment below and I can start taking orders. Now, here's why you absolutely want to buy a second-hand oven to do the baking of your powder coating. Otherwise, you know, she is going to kill you. Now let's look at what it looks like on the truck itself. Here it comes. Beast of a rig, this. Absolutely love it. And as you can tell, the result is, well, I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. I'm happy with the company who sold me the equipment. They were very kind and helpful by email. The link is in the description. Make sure you check them out if you're interested in DIY powder coating small parts like this. This set only requires a compressor, and I have a very small one with a 10-liter tank, I guess, which is good enough for inflating tires and footballs, pretty much. You know, so it's the basic inexpensive home compressor. You don't need anything fancy. And that's pretty much it. Just look at the result. I must say, and I'll repeat, you know, I'm highly satisfied with the outcome of this, especially that I have no experience at all with powder coating. I set this up in a matter of minutes, and yeah, it really works well. We'll see how it holds up in the long run. I obviously have to go and slide on some rocks now. We'll see how it turns out, and in any case, if the result is not satisfactory, I can always start again and powder coat them in, you know, another color, whatever. You know, there's loads of them to choose from. So there it is, this DIY powder coating. I finally took care of that. I'm very happy indeed. The result is great, and well, there it is. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you just did, and I will definitely be catching you all in the next video.